I like to spend time outside as well. Just kind of sitting outside is always nice, and I like the barbecue, which is a verb and a noun.
Ooh, okay.
It's a verb and a noun, contrary to popular belief. It's read the dictionary as a verb and noun. Sorry, it's a yeah. Anyway,
That's true.
but
Southern thing.
it is yeah. It's a verb and a noun in Alabama, and it's a verb and a noun in North Carolina too. As a thing.
Do people up north not think that it's a verb?
Well,
Thing?
there's
They
there's
use
some
it
people.
much differently. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Altogether.
Lord.
I
That's
can
an
I can
ass.
run out the clock on this if you want to.
Go
We
for
call
it.
the actual thing that you cook with the barbecue instead of the grill. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the whole, and a cookout up north is called a barbecue as well.
Yes.
Just telling you, that's the way it is up there.
Yeah, once all this social distancing stuff clears up, I'm waiting for some Terran ribs. I know he does it every Saturday. Every Saturday, I see a post of Terran cooking.
I've had extra
man.
time on my hands, so you know.
I need to be
Maybe
better
our
friends
next
with
lightning
WFMY.
round will be in person. Yeah.
There you go.
Terran, I gotta ask you, vinegar
Mhm.
or tomato-based sauce? Well, I mean, that's the big
Ah.
debate here in North Carolina.
Man, she about to get me in trouble, man. All right, so again, I'm from Alabama, but I spent most of my life in North Alabama. So Memphis style barbecue is what I'm used to. And then when I lived in Oklahoma, Texas style barbecue is kind of one of my big things too. I like more tomato based
Oh no.
barbecue sauce. Like you have to put for me. I do put some apple cider vinegar as I'm cooking it, but I don't just like douse it in it. Like I just want a little bit of tang and then more sweetness. That's just what I prefer.
Very nice. Very nice. We'll give that to you.
Terran on that. I'm with Terran on that. Even though I'm from North Carolina, I don't want to eat barbecue and have my throat burn. With all that vinegar. A good mix, a good middle of the road barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Christian, I didn't.
Because we need the viewers to still like us after that. Disparaging barbecue or whatever.
And these are the fun questions. Yeah.